Hello everyone, this is Arun Kumar and I'm going to talk about the SportsInviterBot, my summation for the power of automation of virtual 2019. So the problem I'm trying to solve here is to track and notify relevant information on games of the tournament for registered teams. So the teams, organizers, captains, members can all be benefited by getting all the relevant game details in the tournament which they have been already registered. And a very high level process. This process is triggered weekly and it collects the information from the team.xls and picks the team, finds the schedule, venue, and then uses the venue to find the weather details of the venue. And then it can also calculate the distance a player needs to travel to the venue using the Google location API. And for the weather, I used Open Weather Map API. So all these three details would be then sent through a Google Calendar invite. I used RE framework and we need to do some changes to the input files. All these documentations are available in the documentation folder. Please read the prerequisite.pdf in the documentation folder for more details on the setup. So I've also explained the sequence diagram of how exactly the workflows and how they are all called, and there are three reusable workflows here. We can also call them code snippets, which is to get the weather details using the Open Weather Map API, to get the trip details with Google Location API, and then we can use the uh, calendar invite workflow as well to send invites. So these can be used outside the framework separately as well. So this would be the output of what we get after the after each run of the bot. So it gives the entire game details, venue details, the weather details of the game during the particular date, and the trip details, the distance and duration a player needs to travel. And I assume people travel by car. Okay, so let me go into the demo and I'll just quickly show you the folder structure. So config has all the credentials for the APIs and other important stuff. Please check it out. And this is the folder structure. As you see, I've used a use case from a real life matches which is going on. It's called Dallas Cricket League, and we have a schedule for a particular division. So the schedule you see here is the exact application of that schedule you see on the website. So I've already scrapped the data, and these are the input files, and I have also have the player details for each and every team. So if you look at the teams, these are the teams who are already registered for the service, and let me run the bot and see what would we get for this. Okay, okay. I started the bot, and first thing it does is to close the Excel sheet, and it's currently running. And let's see how long it takes to send out the calendar invites. And once the calendar invites are sent, they would be available here. So today is 26th, so I'm expecting the calendar invite for the Saturday 29th and 30th. So it took 22 seconds. Let me check the transactions first and the teams folder. So if you see, we have a few successes and there are few teams who doesn't have any matches coming or scheduled this weekend. I'll quickly show you a particular uh, calendar invite. For example, if I open a calendar invite, it's been sent to 13 guests, and we are waiting, and all the match details and venue details, weather details for the match, and the trip details are all provided as you see in the screenshot. This is what I try to show, and we can use it for any other sports, any other outdoor sports. And please feel free to check out the documentation. I've done a lot of documentation on this work, which I'll be updating in the GitHub repository. Thanks for your time. Thank you.